we are in the ATL again. This time we are in Terminal E for the international terminal. This terminal has got 37 gates. It's pretty big. There's a lot of food options here, a lot of store options here as well. They don't have a duty-free that I've seen in here so far, but we'll keep an eye out for that. Somebody's got to look for her bottles.
On the way back.
Yeah, but we did find a Pandora, so if you do collect Pandora charms, guys, if you're lucky enough, they do have a Pandora here. We're going to check it out some more. Well, we found the duty free. It's right by TGI Fridays. They also have one of those little sleep places where you can rent a room for, a few minutes and take a nap. So somebody, I won't say names, keeps tripping over her own feet. See, she wants us to go left and we need to go right. No. Yeah, sure. Sign says. Let's see. Let's see if I'm right. So if you come down to gates 14 and 17, right by 15 is where the lounge is at. What's that sign say? What's that say? What's it say? 15 through 18. Oh. So who was right?
Shut up.
Who was right? Say my name.
Shut up.
So when you come to Terminal E, when you come off the escalator from the tram, it takes you right to the center of the terminal. If you go left, you're going to go to gates 26 through 37. If you go straight, it's 14 through 18. If you take a right, it's 1 through 12. Yeah, 13 is missing, and so is a couple others. So you're not missing something. But it's pretty well laid out. Bathrooms are pretty much about 5 or 6 gates. So really nice, really nice. Got some good eating around here too. So this airport has a lot of art and a lot of retro displays around here. It's really cool. Like they have probably 50 or 60 lunch boxes that I've got to relive my childhood with. I didn't see a chips one in there, so I'm kind of disappointed. I don't see an A-team either, but they got a lot of cool ones I used to have too.